Mastering organizational design. Ignoring operational risks is a recipe for catastrophic failure. Why do we need to identify and thoroughly assess the key risks and challenges inherent in implementing operational excellence initiatives, in order to develop and execute effective strategies that mitigate them and ensure successful outcomes within our organization? Identifying and thoroughly assessing key risks and challenges is a crucial step in implementing operational excellence initiatives within an organization. This process enables the organization to develop and execute effective strategies that mitigate potential pitfalls and ensure successful outcomes. Operational excellence initiatives aim to improve efficiency, productivity, and quality while reducing costs and enhancing customer satisfaction. However, these initiatives often involve significant changes to an organization's processes, systems, and culture, which can be challenging to implement and sustain. If not properly addressed, risks and challenges can hinder the success of operational excellence initiatives, leading to wasted resources, decreased morale, and lost opportunities. Key risks and challenges associated with implementing operational excellence initiatives include: 1. Change management risks. Implementing operational excellence initiatives often requires significant changes to an organization's culture, processes, and systems. If not managed properly, these changes can lead to resistance from employees, affecting adoption rates and overall success. 2. Lack of clear goals and objectives. Without clear goals and objectives, operational excellence initiatives can lack direction, leading to confusion, misalignment, and wasted resources. 3. Insufficient resources. Operational excellence initiatives often require significant investments in people, technology, and infrastructure. Insufficient resources can hinder the ability to implement and sustain these initiatives. 4. Inadequate leadership buy-in. Without strong leadership buy-in, operational excellence initiatives may lack the necessary support and sponsorship, making it difficult to drive change and achieve sustained results. 5. Poor communication. Inadequate communication can lead to misinformation, confusion, and resistance to change, ultimately affecting the success of operational excellence initiatives. 6. Inadequate training and development. Operational excellence initiatives often require new skills and competencies. Inadequate training and development can hinder the ability to implement and sustain these initiatives. 7. Measurement and evaluation challenges. Without effective measurement and evaluation systems, it can be difficult to determine the success of operational excellence initiatives, making it challenging to identify areas for improvement. 8. Technology and system integration challenges. Operational excellence initiatives often rely on technology and system integration. Challenges in this area can hinder the ability to implement and sustain these initiatives. 9. Supplier and partner management risks. Operational excellence initiatives may rely on suppliers and partners. Risks associated with managing these relationships can affect the success of operational excellence initiatives. 10. Sustainability and long-term viability risks. Operational excellence initiatives must be sustainable and viable in the long term. Risks associated with sustaining these initiatives can affect their overall success. To mitigate these risks and challenges, organizations should develop and execute effective strategies that address these potential pitfalls. This can be achieved by: 1. Conducting thorough risk assessments. Identify potential risks and challenges associated with operational excellence initiatives and assess their likelihood and impact. 2. Developing mitigation strategies. Create strategies to mitigate identified risks and challenges, such as change management plans, training programs, and communication strategies. 3. Establishing clear goals and objectives. Define clear goals and objectives for operational excellence initiatives, ensuring alignment with organizational strategy and goals. 4. Securing leadership buy-in and sponsorship. Ensure strong leadership buy-in and sponsorship to drive change and provide necessary resources. 5. Providing adequate resources. Ensure sufficient resources are allocated to support operational excellence initiatives. 6. Developing effective communication and engagement plans. Create plans to communicate effectively with stakeholders, ensuring they are informed, engaged, and committed to operational excellence initiatives. 7. Providing training and development opportunities. Offer training and development opportunities to ensure employees have the necessary skills and competencies to support operational excellence initiatives. 8. Establishing effective measurement and evaluation systems. Develop systems to measure and evaluate the success of operational excellence initiatives, identifying areas for improvement. 9. Managing supplier and partner relationships effectively. Develop strategies to manage supplier and partner relationships, ensuring collaboration and alignment with operational excellence initiatives. 10. Developing sustainability and long-term viability plans. Create plans to ensure operational excellence initiatives are sustainable and viable in the long term, including strategies for continuous improvement and adaptation. By identifying and thoroughly assessing key risks and challenges, and developing and executing effective strategies to mitigate them, organizations can ensure successful outcomes from operational excellence initiatives. This enables the organization to achieve its desired goals and objectives, enhance its competitiveness, and sustain long-term success.